Yes, it's me again.
Yeah.
Hey good people, I just want to come to y'all with this quick video. This deal actually started on the 30th of July. If you download the CVS app, you all, like I've been stressing, they have a Tide deal this week, or a P&G deal. Spend 20, get a $5 extra care bucks back. Now, there are paper coupons for these, the $3 off value, which is kind of high for Tide. And Tide drops those from time to time. But to get your hands on them could be kind of hard. So, let's just stick with a straight digital deal, okay? So, basically, if you buy 4, you meet the limit. In this app, this is the $2 off a liquid, which I didn't get, which I should have got, right? Okay, so there was a $3 off a Tide Pod. You had a $2 off of Gain Fling and a $3 off of the liquid. The liquid was $5.49, I think. The pods were $4.99 and $3.99. So basically, it's going to calculate $20 before coupons, right? I did the math, okay? $5.49 plus $4.99 plus $4.99 gave you $15.47, right? But if you had $3 off of this, that's 3. 3 off of that, that's 6. 2 off of this, that's $8. So $8 from, I don't know if y'all can see that, from $15.47 left you paying $7.47 like I did, right? But don't do like I did. Go ahead and grab you a 4th one. Sidebar. I'm organizing, okay? That's why I just sitting down here on the floor and come to y'all with this deal. Ooh, y'all don't want to see what's up. So here's why I say don't do what I did. See what that says? $15.82 is already spent in my laundry, which is Procter & Gamble. $4.18 need to receive the $5 reward. Well, what I should have done is right here, picked up the Gain detergent for $5.49, just took the $2 off, and I would have got the $5 back. Reason being, a lot of people, like I said, that $3 is hard to get your hands on, so just do a straight digital deal. Don't worry about the paper, because a lot of you all are just starting out. The good thing with CVS is it tracks your purchase. So you will have some stores that say you can't buy 4 at one time. That's fine. You can buy 1, you can buy 2, and it'll let you know when you hit that $20 limit. But in retrospect, 4 of them, you hit the $20 limit and get the $5 back. So if you do what's on the app, if you do a Tide Pod, a Gain Pod, a Tide Liquid, a Gain Liquid, so picking up all 4 of those and doing strictly digital coupons, your total is going to come to $20.96. By the time you add the $2 off the Gain Pods, $2 off the Gain Liquid, $3 off the Tide Pod, $3 off the Tide Liquid, you're going to end up paying $10.46, but you're getting $5 right back. So this is an easy week laundry deal. So relatively, you spent $5 on 4 things of laundry detergent. So I need y'all to get up and go get that. Deuces.
LC on the remix.